Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Altia and welcome to my channel. So on today's video we're going to make this tasty and easy chicken lambs bokoboko. This is a food which is mainly eaten by mostly Barawas and Arabs. So today's chef is going to be my husband who's going to make this because in our culture we don't make this food. So without further any ado, let's start with our recipe. So the first step, we'll start boiling our oats. These are whole oats. Sprinkle some salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cover and let the oats to cook until soft. Meanwhile, in another separate pot, we'll start by boiling the chicken and the lamb, typically men because we want our cooking to go so fast. Add the chicken, lamb meat, 1 piece of chicken cube, some salt, black pepper and water. Then cover to let the meat to cook until super soft. So after around 20 to 30 minutes, our oats are ready. You're going to remove the oats and place them in a blender or a chopper like so and blend them until super soft like so. Then using the same chopper or the blender, you're also going to blend the mixture of the chicken and the lamb's meat until soft. So using the same pot that you used to boil the oats, you're going to place back the blended oats and the blended meat, I mean the chicken and the lamb meat, as you can see in the video. Then you're going to stir everything well. Then afterwards you're going to add 1 cup of rice. I've used basmati rice. Cover and let the mixture of the rice and everything to cook until the rice is also soft or nicely cooked. Once the rice is nicely cooked, at this point you have 2 options. You can blend the mixture to make the cooking more easier for you, but mostly on what my husband did, he took the hardest way. He's just going to pour the chicken soup gradually while mixing constantly until it becomes more softer. Then lastly, he added 2 tablespoons of ghee to make the bokoboko more tastier and more softer. Continue stirring the bokoboko until you get the texture that you desire, and once ready, serve your bokoboko on a plate. The way they serve it, you just have to drizzle a bit of olive oil as you can see in the video and enjoy this delicious chicken lambs bokoboko. Oh my goodness, it was so tasty, but it wasn't really my thing, and I hope you guys are going to try out and give me feedback. And if you're going to try out, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Altia, and see you next time. Bye bye.